Hello guys, welcome back to Tongue Travel. Today we are gonna make banana coffee smoothie. We need a cup of roast bananas and 2 tablespoons of coffee powder and a glass of milk. Now take the bananas in the grinder and add the coffee powder and grind it by adding the milk. Grind it for at least 2 minutes so that it becomes frothy. So now your tasty banana coffee smoothie is ready to serve.